I'm going to show you a slip knot the way that my mom showed me. There are many ways of doing a slip knot, but this is how I do it. You're going to take the strand and you're going to point your finger on an angle. I'm sitting right here behind the camera. Take the strand and go over your finger twice like that. Let me show you again. So point and wrap around your finger twice. One more time. Point and wrap around twice. Now I want you to leave enough strand here, and if you don't have enough, just pull on it and it will release more. And I want you to open up your hand and trap the yarn strand going to the ball and this strand, which is the end, together. We're now going to play a game of leapfrog. So we're going to take this strand and go up and over top of this one, but not over your finger. So leapfrog over and hold it, and then grab the new one and up and over your finger like so, and your slip knot is complete. Let me show you again. So wrapping around twice, pinch. You're gonna play leapfrog. You're gonna take the back one up over the first one, but not off your finger, and now take the new back one and go up over your finger. I'll show you one more time. So wrapping twice, play leapfrog and go up and over. So what I want you to do is grab your crochet hook and just put it onto the hook and just pull on it nice and snug, but not to the point where it cannot move up and down on your hook. And that's how you do a slip knot.